Hello everyone, my name is Dan Wang, and today we'll be going over the recommended settings for a PDM client. Here's a list of the settings that we'll be going over. Part 1 will be the Pdm Vault View settings, and Part 2 will be the SOLIDWORKS settings. Let's jump over to our File Explorer in order to take a look at how that's done. Let's log into our Vault. Sometimes the preview pane is sitting too high, and your users will complain that they can't see the files or folders in the vault. So go ahead and drag that down. Next up, it's recommended that you work in the detailed view. Currently, all of these folders are in the thumbnail view. Go over to the top right and click on details. Now in order to save this to your whole vault, go to organize, click on change folder, click on view, and click on apply folders. Next up, there's a couple of display option changes. Click on display, click on options, and make sure your selections look similar to mine. Next up, there's a setting change that needs to be done in SOLIDWORKS. So we're going to jump over to our SOLIDWORKS program. We're going to go up to our menu bar, click on Tools, click on SOLIDWORKS PDM, and then Options. In here, you want to make sure that Prompt to check out file if open in read-only mode is unchecked, like this. Click OK. And that should be it for the setting changes. Let's jump back to the PowerPoint. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at info@design-point.com.